How to show the stock quantity on product pages in Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. Now this is actually going to be very simple and easy to do, so let's just go and get to it. Now first, before we jump into how to actually show it on product pages, we want to first make sure that you did add your inventory and your products, so it is actually going to be available. But then we can just go ahead and add it to our product page anywhere in here. So let's just go ahead and get to it. So first you will need to just go ahead and go to your online store, go to themes, and then I'm just going to be doing this with the Dawn theme. So just go ahead and click on customize. And once we open up our Shopify customization page, we just need to go to our default product page. So we can either do it by clicking on any product down here, which is in the default product page, or we can just go to the top here, click on home page, click on products, and then you should find the different templates. You just want to select the default product. Now in here, we are just going to pretty much add it as a block and we're pretty much good to go. So we should find on the left panel pretty much all the different blocks and sections that we have. So under template is pretty much what we need to go for. So product information, text, title, price, variant picker, quantity selector, buy buttons, description, share, and so on. So in here, we just want to click on add block right down here. And once you click on that, you should find different blocks here. And one of which is going to be inventory status. So just go and select this inventory status one. And you can actually see we have 124 in stock, and it shows that this green light, which means that it is available. So we can just go ahead and move this up. Now you can feel free to move it up wherever you actually want it to be. So we can make it right under the quantity selector or even above it. I believe it's going to look better. And yeah, we're pretty much good to go. So people now will be able to know exactly how many are in stock. So for example, if it's 124, they can feel free to add 5 without having to worry whether there's enough in stock or not. You can just go and click on save. And like I said, we are pretty much good to go. So if we just exit out of here, go to our online store, open up any product that we have that is in the same template as default product. And we're actually going to see that we have our stock ready to go, and this is by coincidence the same number, which is 124. So let's just go and view the other one, which is orange, and we can actually see, yeah, it's a little bit different here. So this is all we really need to do, and obviously it's going to show. Let's just make a product out of stock here real quick. And as you can see, if something is out of stock, it's no longer going to have a green light and it says out of stock. And here, obviously, it says sold out. So this is pretty much all there is to it. So hopefully you found this video to be informative, and thanks for watching.